Hey y'all, it's Lisa with Hobby Time. Ready for another video. I got some really awesome stuff. It's new stuff. It just came out. New wave of CvP. So, alright, let's get to it. Hey guys. Okay, so check it out. All this fun stuff is called Cows versus Aliens. Now, it's slowly making its cross into Five Below at across the US, and it's finally made its way to Texas. I'm so excited because I've been waiting for them and I'm hoping we got some really cute ones. Hopefully no dupes, and we're gonna get into them. There's like there's a list in there. I'll show you guys the list, but we'll see. See? Look how cute those guys are. Who doesn't love cute cows? And aliens, I guess. But see, like that's one of them, I guess, that you can get. And I have a box too, but the box this time, every time they send out a box with them, they have different art on them. This one doesn't seem to have as much art on it. Like, the box is just pretty plain purple. Normally they have all sorts of stuff on the side, but this one just has the front on it. But it's still really cute. I have the boxes from like all the different waves. And there's my dog. So, I don't have my scissors handy with me. They're over there. So I'm just... Oh, good. It opens nicely. Sometimes these don't open nice. Alright, you guys. You see? I can't see. Boop! Alright, we got an alien. Okay, so he's really cute. He got a big bulbous head. Very stereotypical alien style. But let's see the list. Yeet. Okay. So kind of like with the cats versus pickles, I think there's less aliens, just like there's less pickles and there's more cows, which is fine by me. But we have, oh, Neil. This is who we have. We have Neil. So here's a list if you want to pause it and kind of look at what we're getting. These were just released by CvP, Cats versus Pickles group, and they're also releasing Pups and Squeaks. It's like they're squirrels versus dogs, and it's like the baby versions. I can't wait to see those either. But anyway, this is what he looks like. Neil. So he's like a little spaceman, which also is hilarious since he's an alien. Got a little foldedness on here. And that's them cows and aliens butt patch here. They all have their own little thing. He's cute. His tag says, Neil, ready for a moonshot. Super cute. He's actually pretty cute. He's really full. Very full of beans. He's very squishy. He's kind of top heavy. So, I mean, I guess. Nope, he doesn't do that either. But he's cute. He's cute. I think I'm going to like the cows better, though. Sorry, guys. But, well, that's who I got Neil so far. Alright, let's see who else we can get. I haven't actually looked at this list. There's so many of these cows that I want. I think I just want all of them. But I don't know which side, like if they're doing it in waves or whatever. They might be doing all of them? Wait, which side was Neil on? Holy moly. I already lost him. I showed you guys. Oh, he's on the front side. So I wonder if they're just going to do like this top half. They might do this top half. If that's the case, then I really kind of want this pandemonium. He's a panda. Alright. Just poke my way into the bags. The bags are also cute. Alright. Not looking. A list. All lists are the same. We got a cow! He's cute! Oh my gosh, I love these cows! I love them. Look how cute he is. Look. His little tail. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh, he's adorable. What do you guys think? I think he's cute. I think he's so cute. This one is fudgy. Because clearly, and it's also funny because he's a cow, so he's ice cream. He's covered in chocolate sprinkles and stuff. No. So cute. Now, if you had to pick, Which one's your favorite? Not of these, but like of cows or aliens. Not particularly of these two. But in the comments you can tell me as we go of the ones that we opened today, which ones you guys like. Yes! Okay, so this... Oh, I didn't read his tag. I'm sorry. Sorry. Rewind. Fudgy. Now, how now, brown cow? He's cute. If you've read that book as a child. Okay, anyway, this guy. Super cute. Now, if you look on the bag, he's this guy. He's featured on the bag. Super cute. He's got these big horns. He's got a little winky face. He's got like kind of like longer hair because he's a Highlander cow. Yep, Highlander. There can only be one, which is also a thing. So, look at these big ears. Yes, I wanted him. He's super cute. Super cute. I'm loving these cows, guys. I'm going to have all of them. It's just going to happen. My poor husband's wallet. It's just going to happen. Alright. Okay, we got another cow. Moobrella. Stay dry underneath. They just love all their puns, don't they? Look at this one. It's raining. It's like an umbrella. It's cute. I like their tails. And again, the little emblem of the cow. See? And they all have that scanning code. This one's horns aren't as big because the Highlander cow has big horns. Still my favorite. Still cute. Okay, well, these guys are not cooperating. Sit down, I said. Okay, there we go. Ah, so that one falls down. Okay. We have, so far, no dupes. It's great. Okay, this one is called a cow. No. Moo Balloon. Hot Air Heifer. It's cute as well. Also another winking face. I love the different expressions. Super soft, just like all their other beans that they make. Look at the clouds, the balloons, big old tail, which I think it should come up with like a little fluff on the tail, like cows actually have that little extra fluff, not just the straight tail, but that's okay. I love the cow's ears, the horns, like them. And if you're really, okay, so I'm going to give you a little cheat hint. When you're feeling through the bags, if you only want the cows, you just have to feel for like this basic bean shape. And you can really feel what the aliens, like a big old bulbous head and a little boop body. Okay, they feel completely different through the bag. So if you really don't like the aliens, you can easily spot which ones are cows and which ones are aliens. But you can't tell through the bag what cow you're getting. Like sometimes they used to make a bag where you can like kind of peek through and maybe see what kind of design is on them, but now they're on to us, and so now they make it where it's really dark in the bag and you can't see, but at least you can kind of feel through and get. Now I didn't do that with this one. I just grabbed all the ones the store had. I grabbed every single one they had, and let's see what we get. Yay! Okay, look what we got. This one's super cute as well. I just love this. I've been waiting. Since they announced that they were going to be doing this, I was like, I need these cows. Pandemonium with some lucky bamboo. Look how freaking cute this is, guys. How cute is this? Super, super cute. Oh my gosh. So, I think these two are my favorites so far that I've opened. Last one, guys. Last one. Let's see if we got an alien or a cow. We have a cow. Look at that one. A sleepy face. It's a sleepy face cow. Super cute. Okay. Of course, they're all super cute. I'm going to say that. I know. I'm sorry. Moongo. Better than a cow canut. So it's a mango. It's a mango. Super adorable. So, okay, so far I was pretty much spot on with the ones that they've released here, because look, we got these two. We didn't get that one. We got that one, and this one. We missed that one. We missed that one. We got that one, and we got the meal. So, like, of this top half of the page, we almost got all that. I want this pizza guy. He's super cute too. And this cookie. But yeah, that's really awesome. Which one are you guys hoping to see? Do you want to see more? Do you want me to get more of these? Because I'm going to do it anyway, but let me know. Comment which one you liked best that I opened today. Alright. Comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.